magnetic eyelashes but hate how messy the glue is and also find them really difficult to put on because same girl. But guess what? I got you. Magnex Lashes sent me some goodies. We're gonna test how easy it is to apply magnetic eyelashes. Or tweezers. Oh, these tweezers are the best. 2 options for eyelashes. Eeny, meeny, miny, this one. Oh, that one. So these lashes are 100% magnetic. This is not glue, it's just eyeliner. I'm a little bit scared to do my eyeliner on camera, so I've already put a bit on. At the moment of truth, I'm really scared to do this on camera because I'm not very... Excuse me? Did you guys see that? Did you guys see how easy that stuck just then? Not to sound bad, but I genuinely was not expecting them to stick on that well. Okay, but they went on so easy. I actually was not expecting that. Pleasantly very surprised. Okay, but will they stay on? I'm going to a concert tonight. I will update you when I'm home. Okay, I'm back. I've been out. I do have a rainbow on my face now. The lashes. They lasted. They did not budge all night. I would definitely recommend these. These were the easiest lashes to apply. Not messy or anything. And the good thing is I can reuse them. Make sure you go check out Magnex Lashes. Game changer. Game changer. What I hate about false eyelashes is it always hurts to take them off. That didn't hurt at all. We'll be using these again. I'll save you for later.